Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing how to trade Forex with the Kelly Criterion. All right, the Kelly Criterion. So basically, the Kelly Criterion is a mathematical formula used to determine optimal position sizing based on probability and risk. Okay, so the first step is to understand the formula. All right. Now, when trying to understand the formula, we have to talk about what the Kelly criterion consists of. Okay. So the criterion actually considers the win probability. All right. It considers the win probability and the win loss ratio. Right. So these are the two important the two important criteria to consider: the win probability and the win loss ratio. So it calculates a percentage of capital that could theoretically be allocated to a trade. Now, the second step is to estimate strategy performance. To apply the concept, traders estimate historical win rate. All right. If you've not been using your terminal, then of course you might have to go to your terminal. You go to your history and then, look at your win rate, right? When you look at your win rate, that is going to be part of, the things to consider when, dealing with the Kelly criterion, right? Because you have to estimate your historical win rate. Maybe if you can get as much accurate data as possible, all right, so that it's not going to be a rough estimate, right? It's going to be based on data, actual data. Okay, so your historical win rates, then your average winning trade, right? If you have a system that can give you accurate information about this, then that's even better. Okay, and then your average losing uh trade. Okay, sorry, I think I got this wrong. So your average winning trade and your average losing trade. Okay, so these statistics are often driven, or rather derived from backtesting or trade journals, right? You derive these statistics from backtesting or trade journals. Now, the third step is to apply conservative position sizing. Some traders use fractional Kelly, meaning they risk a smaller portion of the calculated value to reduce volatility. Okay, and then it's important to combine with risk management. The Kelly criterion should be combined with other risk management methods to maintain account stability. Okay, a quick recap for you: to use the Kelly criterion, estimate win rate and risk reward ratio. Okay, secondly, calculate theoretical position size. Then use fractional Kelly for stability, and then combine with broader risk management. Okay, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.